Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up Google Ads for lawyers. In this video we'll consider the example of immigration lawyers who are going to target Spanish immigrants currently staying in the United States. Right now we are in the Google Ads campaign setup dashboard. We have to click on new campaign. We'll select leads as the campaign goal. We'll select search as the campaign type. We'll select website visits as the ways. We have to give the URL of the website. Hit on continue. We'll deselect display network because we're going to target only the search network. Click on another location because we're going to target Colorado in the United States. We will target Colorado. We're going to exclude Lakewood in Colorado. We'll keep it under the exclude section. We have selected English and Spanish as the languages. We'll select $250 as daily budget. We have selected maximum conversions predict strategy. In the site link, we will select about us and legal immigration. We can select site links in Spanish language too, because we're going to target Spanish audience. In the callout extension, you can add as many as callout extensions. Here we are going to add only 2 callout extensions. In the call extension, you have to give the contact number. Hit save and continue. Now you can see that we have all the keywords listed in the keyword section. Now hit save and continue. We have to create the ads now. In the display path, I want to give about us. Yeah, so this will appear in the ad. You can give as many as headlines. Here we have given 4 to 5 headlines. Description we have already given. So here you can see in the preview mode, this is how it appears in the mobile and in the desktop. Save and continue. That's it. Now you have to publish the campaign. Once it's done, you can see all the summary of the ad. It will show the location, the targeted location, the excluded locations, everything. So that's it. Thank you.